What's up? Yeah. Where are you? I'm at school. Why aren't you at school? God, I have something to tell you. What is it? Promise you're not going to tell anyone? Yeah, promise. I just took a pregnancy test, but like, I don't know what the result is. But like, I'm really scared. I hope it's like negative, because like, you can't have this stuff. Like, we're still in school. But like, can you come over? Come over to my house. Yeah, alright. I'll go my way. Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Bro.
Oh yeah, Ely. What's up?
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm at work. What are you doing?
Okay, so like, I'm really nervous to tell you this, but you see that pregnancy test I've been wanting to do for ages now? Did you finally take it? Yes, and I'm really hoping it's not going to be negative this time. Because like, you know how I've always been praying for like, you know, a child, you know.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you. I know how long you've been praying for this.
I'm so nervous to look at it by myself, so I'm just here to ask if you want to come over.
Okay, I'll be on my way.
Alright, thank you.
For I am with you, I have a vision in life through this skit that sometimes unexpected things happen, which then changes your life instantly. And then sometimes we'll wait for things that will only be a dream. In the middle of all the waiting and all the changes, we become scared. Scared because we don't know how to cope with it. Scared because we don't know if we're doing good in our lives. Deuteronomy 31 verse 8 says, He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid and do not be discouraged. Circumstances in life gets tough. Hardships become challenging. But through all those obstacles, it is important to trust in God. Trust that He will lead the way. Have faith in His miracles. And God comes in the right times. There's a motivation quote that says, life is like a book. Everyone has their own stories to tell. Never compare your journeys to someone else's. If you know that a sister is struggling, remind them to be strong. Give them a shoulder to lean on. Be there for them. And let them know that God is with them and have no fear.